Hey guys, this is Jennifer, and as you see here, I've been a member of Swagbucks since March of 2012. And as you see here, I've earned a little bit over $2,000 since joining. I probably would have made a little bit more money if I was more active on the platform, but since then, I've learned quite a bit of tips and tricks. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to get started on Swagbucks. Or if you really are a member and you need some help, let me show you my tips and tricks. So the first thing I like to do is complete my to-do list. So I go ahead and do the daily poll, which is one quick question for one quick and easy Swagbuck. And then click on add a match with receives offer, which is kind of like a bot. So here they have a bunch of products where you can go to certain stores and if you submit your receipt with the item on there, you will get a certain amount of money for buying that product. So yeah, this is one of those also quick and easy ways to earn Swagbucks. Next thing I have on here is Swagit. So basically this is an app, a cool app that they have on their that you can download on your iPhone or your Android. So it's kind of like TikTok where they have videos, but you can go ahead and send one Swagbuck minimum per video, and Swagbucks will give you 2 Swagbucks for each video that you like. But I've gotten up to 5 Swagbucks for liking some videos, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So then you click on deal of the day and they will take you to an offer where they're offering a lot of Swagbucks if you complete that offer. So for example, if you join Sophie and you deposit at least $50, Swagbucks will give you 3 times that amount, so you will get $150 if you join Sophie. Next thing you want to do is attempt a survey. So the thing about surveys, I would definitely not take this survey that would take me 187 minutes, and I will only get $2.50. I will go ahead and look for other survey that will take me the least amount of time and will reward me more. For example, for this one, I would take this survey that will only take me 16 minutes and I will get $2.50. For this one, that will only take me 7 minutes and I will make 50 quick and easy Swagbucks. So the thing about surveys, I've had good experiences with them and I've had bad experiences with them. I've taken really cool surveys where I got to watch a really cool TV show or a really cool movie, and I got paid, just for stating my opinions about the program, or just putting in what parts of the program I like and which ones I dislike. So yeah, those have been really awesome surveys where yeah, I really like the reward that they gave me for just watching a cool TV show or a movie. And then sometimes they will send you like free products to your house and you get to try out the product, and then they send you a quick survey where they just ask you what you like and what you like about the product. And those also reward pretty well, where you will make a minimum at least $5 to $7. I think one time I got even up to like $15 just for saying what I like and what I don't like about the product. So yeah, I've had both bad and good experiences with surveys. I think another time also there's been a few times where I've taken a survey, I took forever and they didn't even give me my Swagbucks, and I got kicked out of the survey. Or one thing that's pretty frustrating though is that, oh no, if they say it's only gonna take 20 minutes and it ends up taking me like 1 or 2 hours to complete the survey, so that can be pretty frustrating. So once you go ahead and complete your to-do list, you can go ahead and play Swagbucks Live, which is another app that you can download on your iPhone or on your Android device. And this is a pretty cool way also that won't take that much amount of time. It's for Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. I mean, it's Monday to Thursday at 5 p.m. and then on Fridays like at 12 p.m. So you would just be asked like 10 questions, and then if you get it right, you will get one Swagbuck per each question answered correctly. And of course, if you win the entire game and you get all the questions right, you will get bonus Swagbucks. So this is a really cool and quick way to make extra Swagbucks. So this is the thing with Swagbucks that you want to do every day. You want to complete your to-do list. You want to go on Swagbucks every day, on Swag It, and you want to like at least 5 videos, okay? So you can get a minimum of 10 Swagbucks every day. You want to play Swagbucks live Monday through Friday. And then what you want to do every single day also is that you want to play one of these free games. Of course, they have paid games that cost money, but I like to play the free ones. And you can choose any of these, but I like to play Solitaire. And you don't have to win to earn your Swagbucks. And if you don't know how to play Solitaire, well, you're about to learn how. Basically, the thing is you want to add up to 13, so 10 and 3 is 13. And then you just keep on clicking until you see something that adds up to 13. So you don't have to go that fast, but obviously the faster you go, the sooner you will get your Swagbucks. And I'm definitely an impatient person. It doesn't matter if you miss a move, it's okay. You will still get your Swagbucks whether you win or lose. So just go ahead and play these games as fast as you can. And so you can get your 10 easy Swagbucks per day, which adds up to almost $1 a week for playing a quick and easy game. And yeah, that's almost $5 a month. So that's pretty cool that Swagbucks offers this. I absolutely love Swagbucks. For me, it has been godsend, and it has definitely helped me, make payments. I remember I got a new mattress one time, and by earning, Swagbucks, I was able to earn an average of $100 to $200 a month, and that definitely helped me with my mattress payment that I had to make every month. So so as you see here, once I complete this game, I will get my Swagbucks. So it's when the first game you play, they don't give it to you, and the next one they do, and then they don't. So it's alternating. You can go back if you miss a move, of course. So then you click end, and then you click submit. And then as you see here, I didn't win the game, but I got my 2 Swagbucks. So you can earn up to 10 Swagbucks a day playing this game. Another cool way to earn here is, again, by sending receipts to Swagbucks. And as you see here, they're offering $20 if you buy Baby Ruth's 100-gram Butterfinger or Crunch. So if you buy one bag, they'll give you 800 Swagbucks, $8. And if you buy 2, they'll give you $20. And it's only available at CVS, and you gotta shop in store to earn your Swagbucks. So that's a pretty cool way. Also, another quick and easy way to earn Swagbucks is by shopping. So if you're planning to shop online, make sure that you check out Swagbucks and see how much cash back they're offering per dollar. Because sometimes, I've been to websites where some websites will give me more cashback per dollar than Swagbucks. Some of them include Retail Me Not, Top Cashback, or Rakuten, which used to be Ebates. But as you see here, I doubt that anybody would be beating this, which is at 12% cashback for shopping at Kohl's. And as you see, that's a pretty handsome amount of cashback. So yeah, definitely check out Swagbucks and see if they're offering a competitive or a better rate than other companies. So if you're shopping online, might as well shop through Swagbucks and earn a little bit of extra money cash back. So yeah. So another quick and easy way to earn Swagbucks is by searching the web. So sometimes they give you Swagbucks for making a search, and sometimes they don't. But yeah, sometimes you can get Swagbucks definitely for searching the web. I wanted to say something really important about these offers, where the offers that you want to complete are definitely the ones where you see an exclamation mark or that it says now at and then whatever amount of Swagbucks. So definitely look for the words now at and the exclamation mark, because that means that the offer is offering one of its highest rates. So for example, like sometimes you can do an offer but they're not offering because at the highest amount of Swagbucks. Because I remember I've completed some offers where I got, like maybe $50, but then I saw the offer again like 2 months later and they were offering a higher amount. So that can be pretty frustrating. Or let me give you guys an example. Like for Blue Apron, they're offering only $30 right now, but as you see, it doesn't have an exclamation mark. It doesn't have the words now at. So I would definitely wait to see maybe this offer will give a higher amount of Swagbucks in the future. Another cool thing I wanted to mention about Swagbucks is that sometimes you can make quite a bit of money by just playing games. So go ahead and check out under the Discover tab, and go to Discover Home and click on Offer Tour and see what offers they have for playing games. So, for example, if I play Mafia City and I reach level 25 within 30 days, Zappos will give me $63. So this offer used to be at like $120 before, so they decrease it. So I don't like to go on offers, Toro, because sometimes I like to just wait to see in the homepage and look for the exclamation mark or the words now added, like I said before, to see if the offers are not as highest. Again, this has been Jennifer. I hope this video really helped you guys out and it will help you make the most amount of Swagbucks. If you like this video and you are interested in joining Swagbucks, please help me out by joining with my referral link at the bottom of this video in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.